Thunder-Snoring Teddy. Author, illustrator and read by Moynul Hoque. This is a story of a teddy who was for sale at the toy shop, not for the first time. On a hot summer Monday morning, a little boy pressed his face against the toy shop window to see Teddy more clearly. The boy went into the toy shop to buy Teddy and placed 3 shiny gold coins on the shop counter.
Ka-ching!
Teddy is a magical toy, said the shopkeeper, but he has also a deafening flaw. The boy did not listen and he rushed out with his new toy. Filled with joy, the boy carried Teddy all the way home in his rucksack. On Tuesday, the boy took Teddy to the park and they played on the swings.
Whoosh!
Teddy enjoyed going to the park.
Whoosh!
On Wednesday, they went for a bike ride and Teddy wore a helmet with his name scribbled across it. Going downhill fast is Teddy's favourite.
Whee!
On Thursday, it was raining, so they played indoors. The boy built a throne for Teddy made from giant Lego blocks. Teddy, the king of toys, was a happy king. On Friday, the boy read his favourite stories to Teddy, and when he finished, Teddy smiled and said, "Hi." The boy was amazed that Teddy spoke, and they chit-chatted all day long. On Saturday morning, the boy woke up to a sad Teddy. "Are you okay, Teddy? Tomorrow is Sunday, and on this day, I sleep for the entire day, and when I wake up, I always find myself back at the toy shop." "Why is that, Teddy?" "My snoring is like thunder. It's very loud and noisy, and no one wants to keep a thunder-snoring Teddy. While I'm awake, I will grant you a wish for your kindness. So hold my paws and make a wish." The boy held his breath and made a wish. Teddy woke up from his deep slumber. He seemed a little confused. "What day is it?" asked Teddy. "It's Monday," said the boy. "Why am I not back at the toy shop?" The boy tried to explain, but Teddy interrupted and said, "Did your wish come true?" "Yes, it did, Teddy." "What did you wish for?" "I wished for your thunder snoring to stop, so I can keep you here with me forever," said the boy. Teddy jumped and ran across the room to cuddle the boy. "Thank you. No one has ever wished for my thunder snoring to stop," said Teddy. And they lived happily ever after.
Hooray!
Thank you for watching. This book is now available on Amazon and other participating bookstores. Please click on the description for full details and links. Buy your copy today and read along with me next time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This video is a production of mhcreativity.